Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the total sum of three list elements in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output. How calculate the total sum of three lists in Python. So the command is py total sum of three lists dot py. When I click enter, notice I got 15 here, the output, the sum of these three list elements.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials, and here we got our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder I will create one new Python file called total sum of three lists.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to calculate the total sum of three lists in Python. So first I require one list 1 is equals to 1 1 1. Just for the demo purpose I am adding only simple numbers. List 2 is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2, and list 3 is equals to 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 1. Now my aim is I want to get the total sum of these three elements, three list elements, which is 4 5 6 7 8 10 12 15. I am expecting 15 the output is. So first let's print list 1. The list 1 is equals to list 1. Let's copy this one. This is list 2, this is list 2, list 3, and this is list 3. Now I am using for loop for x in list 1 plus list 2 plus list 3 colon. I require one variable here called total. I am giving the variable name total 0, then total plus is equals to x. That's it. Now the final output, print the sum of three list elements. The sum of three lists are comma total. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output. How calculate the total sum of three lists in Python. So the command is py total sum of three lists dot py. When I click enter, notice I got 15 here, the output, the sum of these three list elements. Now here if I add 1 here, so now I am expecting the sum of three list elements are 16. We need to save this file first. Save. I have saved this file. Now let's check. See here we got 16. That's clear everything. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the sum of three list elements, total sum of three list elements in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.